What's up guys, it's your boy fly.view with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up your MetaMask wallet to work with the Binance Smart Chain. Because let's say you have some coins on Binance, but you want to get some rates for your coins. Binance has some savings and some staking, but let's say it's not enough for you. You have coins and you're getting like 1% a year or 1.5%. But you want to earn more, or you want to try some new projects like Pancakeswap or other projects like Autofarm. I want to farm and to stake some tokens or some coins or add some liquidity to the pools. So how are you going to transfer those funds, those coins, those tokens from Binance to Pancakeswap? You'll have to use MetaMask. Now MetaMask is mainly or originally used in the Ethereum network. If you guys know, the Ethereum network has some high fees because Ethereum is actually like at $1,500 I guess. So the fees will be like 26 euros or something like that. In here for this example, for one Polkadot, if you use the Binance Smart Chain, you're going to pay 20 cents for transferring one Polkadot to your MetaMask. Now, if you are using Polkadot network, you would pay $3, and if you use Ethereum network, you would pay $15.90. So that's pretty much high for me. I'm going to go with the 20 cents. Now, to transfer for the MetaMask, all you need to do is to come here to your MetaMask wallet, open your account, go to configurations, come all the way down to networks, and you'll see the networks installed in your wallet. So I already added the smart chain. All you guys have to do is write the name of the network, for example Binance Smart Chain. You got a URL from this network that you can find out in Binance Chain Docs, for example. Here you have it, all the info you need for doing it, but I already done it. You also have an example image for it right here. You have to put the URL, the chain ID that is 56, the symbol for the token which is BNB for the Binance Smart Chain, and the block explorer that is BSC scan, that is Binance Smart Chain scan. So after doing this in your MetaMask wallet, after setting everything up, and after it you'll go in here and select the smart chain that you created. After creating it, you want to click on account because it will copy automatically your wallet's ID. I already have it here. You can paste it once again. That's your wallet for the Binance Smart Chain in MetaMask. After it, you want to submit and transfer your funds. I have transferred already, so I am easy and done. Let's go to Pancakeswap, and Pancakeswap you can automatically connect your wallet by clicking here, and now my wallet is connected with Pancakeswap. Now if you know, on Pancakeswap you can farm by adding liquidity to these pools. And what does this mean? This means that you have, for example, two tokens. In my case I have Polkadot and BNB. So what you can do, you can mint these two tokens together and actually yield farm. So you'll get a percentage like 63% in a year or 88% in a year, compounded I guess, for just literally staking your tokens in this liquidity pool. Now, because it is a liquidity pool, I don't recommend this if you don't have one of the tokens. For example, let's say you have DOT, but you don't have BNB and you have to buy BNB. Don't buy BNB just because you want to add some liquidity to this pool. Or if you trust the coin, for example BNB, and you expect it to go up, then yeah, you can try for yourself, do it at your own risk. But if Polkadot moves down or BNB moves up, the difference or the ratio for what you paid the price for what you paid for these two tokens will change. So you are most going to lose money. It is risky, you're going to lose money. Now, if you have both tokens already, or you trust both tokens, and you don't care if the price changes or not, you can give it a try. Why not? It's 63%, 88% compounded, I guess. It's nice ratings. You have some tokens that will pay you even more. For example, at the beginning, you come right here, and this offers may be tempting, but don't do it. Like, if you don't have those tokens or you don't believe in them, don't do it, because it may not worth it. These tokens may be pump and dump, and then you'll end up losing money, because this 500% is also going to change. The more people that come into this liquidity pool, the less money you will receive, the less the percentage you will receive. For example, I know this here open and bar were like yesterday or 2 days ago at the 600% house, and now they are all the way down to 300 just in 2 days. So this one may happen soon too. It's not worth it. Now, if you want to add liquidity to this pool, the first thing you want to do is to mint the two tokens together. And how do we do it? Well, we come here into trades, you can go exchange if you don't have the tokens already, or liquidity. It's exactly the same menu. So let's go into it. This is exactly the same menu. You have here liquidity, you have here exchange. So you can go to liquidity if you already have the tokens. If not, you can just buy the tokens like BNB. Let's say we want to buy Polkadot. Select Polkadot and you will swap, for example, 1 BNB for 6.4 Polkadot. This is the price for now, and this is also the why you have the impermanent loss, because imagine BNB goes up, then 6.5 Polkadot will not be the same, and now you're losing money because BNB price went up. But why not? Give it a try in the liquidity pool. Let's go to liquidity and add liquidity. Now here, having the two tokens selected, Polkadot and Binance, I'll just put 0.1 Polkadot, because I guess that's what I have. We're just doing a test. You hit supply and you hit confirm supply. This will ask confirmation from wallet, from MetaMask. You'll have to pay a small fee. I'll have to pay 0.01 BNB, which may be like 12 cents, something like that. You can also check it on BScan. It's another advantage from the Ethereum network to the Binance network is that it is almost instantly, like maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, sometimes 6 seconds. So after confirming the supply and minting the two tokens, we will receive the LP liquid pool token. You can confirm it on our MetaMask all the way down, and here you have its Cake LP token. So we go directly into farm. We can just find our dot, because I already staked it before. Here it is, the dot BNB LP token, and you have some options right here. I already have it started in it, and I have paid 0.01 cake for my test of 0.1. We just make some new tokens, so we will deposit them. We have made 0.037. Just hit max and confirm. Now pay attention that the first time that you'll do is your wallet will also ask you to confirm this token before, so you have to pay fees 2 times. So make sure you have enough BNB in your account to pay all the fees. The fees are not much, 12 cents, 25 cents, but you still have to have enough funds, otherwise you'll have to transfer again and again, and you have to pay twice or 3 times each time you transfer. So just make sure you have enough funds in the first time and hit confirm. After hitting confirm, Pancakeswap will do his thing and we get funds added. Now we have more Polkadot and BNB staked. Now, after staking and after having DOT and BNB, LP tokens will be paid in cake. As you can see, it just went away because you go here to the beginning. is in our wallet 0.01 cake. You can harvest all the cake that you farm, and after harvesting all the cake you can stake it. As you guys can see by now, the cake price is $12.26, and after harvesting you can here stake it. You'll be able to harvest or compound. So let's say you have one cake and made another one cake, so you'll have two cakes and you hit compound. By this, each day you'll get more and more percentage because you're compounding all the interest that you have gained from this pool. Now, if you guys want to make this process automatically, Pancakeswap is already a really good option in it, and yield farm and all those things. But why not go one step further? And for that you have Autofarm. Here in Autofarm you can actually automatically compound everything that you deposit. You guys can see I deposit some dot, and this dot is auto compounding every time or every day. So by farming daily I have exactly 0.01% daily, and after 1 year it will be 16.5%. Now pay attention that in here you'll have some really high ending tokens like Viking and BUSD LP token is going to pay you 103.9 million%. But yeah, again, I was saying, if you guys don't have anything to lose, why not give it a try, but I wouldn't do it, otherwise you will lose money. Maybe not, because BUSD is a stable coin. Let's say you buy $50 from Viking. Yeah, maybe it's worth it, why not? $50 from Viking, $15 from BUSD. At the end of the year, or at the end of the week, or at the end of the month, depending on how long Viking is going to hold itself, it may make you some money. But pay attention that some tokens from this may not work on the Binance Smart Chain, and yeah, you'll have to go here and there. Let's just check it on Pancakeswap if Viking is actually available, where you have to add the token manually, you have to buy the token somewhere else. Let's check for it. Viking, yeah, it's not available on Pancakeswap, so you may have to add it manually some way, somehow, or make your own search for the token or buy it in its own website. Well, that's it for the yield farming and pool staking for now. Hope I could help you guys. Don't forget to do your own diligence first, all the time, and yeah, make it on your own risk. And if you guys want to bet on some of these new coins, if you want to say so, you can bet on them. Why not? Maybe you win, maybe you're not. If you're willing to lose that money, you can make it. If not, you can just get your usual coins that you got sitting on Binance account and move them into there and get some cake. Get some cake, stake some cake, double your cake. Who doesn't like cake? And maybe I had said cake so many times. So, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Cheers.